Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today I'm going to share how to make these super cute belly bands or bookmarks or tags as you pleased. Very super easy to make. Just use some haberdashery fabric and bits and pieces. Let me show you the papers that I have used. These are my September VIP Lounge papers, probably one of my favorite kits that I have designed. It has 14 pages and it's called Blue Toile. I love it. There are a mixture of background, tags and ephemera. So just going to quickly go through one by one. This is one background. As you can see here, I just made it a little bit dirty because I like it to be quite rusty and vintage. Another background, some tags that you guys can fussy cut. Look how cute they are. This is one of my equestrian favorite scene. Got another one, another background. Another geometric motifs. This will look amazing as a wallpaper if you wish to. Then you get a large envelope and a pillow box. You get some pockets for your journals or memory keeping if you do scrapbooking, because you can put photos or ephemera inside. Oh, this is one of my favorite pages of the kit. Now, I hope you can see that I'm 369 embellishments that I have designed on a blue, well, kind of like different shades of blue. So you got some wasps and bees. There is a jellyfish. There is a lovely bow, seashell, a fly, another shell, another bow. Look at that, it's got the rose in the middle and a fish. Only because I thought if you mix and match, you can use this to decorate something else. Another set of tags. Another geometric motif background. A plain background. I want to give you something different because you can cut this and create little cards, or you can use it as its own entirety. Another background. Love these. And another one. Now, a lot of these geometric or toile motifs, some businesses have their own copyrighted design. So I have to kind of messing about with the faces because, yeah, there is a lot of things that are copyrighted. But yeah, so that's kit number one. And then kit number two is a little gift that all my VIP members will get this month, and it's a set of 12 bookmarks. So there's 16, sorry, that's 4 pages, and there is 4 on each page. So you've got a set of 4 here. They are very large, so you can use those tags or bookmarks. They are nearly 8 by 2 3/4. Very large. So you've got one with these lovely roses, one with the poppies. Look, oh, love it. One with a giraffe and another floral one. It looks like a little field. Okay, and last but not least, we have a 3D gift box letter. So we're doing the alphabet series. We are up to letter Q. So this is the template that you receive. So you get a sheet with the assembly instruction, and then of course the template that you just need to cut and put it together. Okay, so there is also a private video that I filmed showcasing how you put this together. Okay, so you just need to follow that, but also the video really helps. And on here, because I had quite a lot of space, so you get everything you need to get the 3DQ letter, and also because I had this space, I just put an additional pillow box. I have some letters here on my desk. Got letter O, letter P. So let me show you what the letter Q looks like when it's all done up. And this is what it looks like when it's all done up. All my 3D letter boxes, they all stand up on their own. So look how cute that is. And this is what the pillow box looks like when it's done up. I mean, how cute is a little present. You can put chocolate, because it's the same size as my hand, so it's fairly big. And then this is the butterfly decoration that you have. So I have designed it to go on top of the pillow box, but nothing stops you to decorate the letter 2, or you can do for some, use it for something else. I've got some more letters here on my desk. And I'll show you quickly the alphabet. So we've got letter A, B, C, D. Got them all in here. If I can reach. E, F, G, H, I. And each letter, of course, is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay guys, so I'm going to use one of each. So I'm going to use one of these, one of those, and one of those. So I also got, which I completely forgot, and it only came up as I was tidying up the craft room the other night. I have these, and I completely forgot I had. So these, how can I explain it? So we bought these pieces when Jamie, so we have a table cover on our living room table, and our, right, to cut story short, our house is like dark wood, white wall, so it's kind of like rich. We like have quite looks like damask. It's very old worldy, like people saying here. So it's not a modern house at all. We like very old-fashioned things. And our tablecloth, our table cover, is got is like a this sort of color damask, rich velvet cover, and then Jamie stitched this around it on the sides. So when it drops, there is like this little I don't know what to call it, this little border around it. So it's quite nice. And I was tidying up the craft room the other day, and I found it, and I was like, OMG. And I thought, wait, let's use it to make some belly band. So I thought, right, this paper that literally fit the purpose. So I'm gonna cut one of each, and I'll be right back. Okay, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna distress the edges with brown, with my favorite distress oxide. It's called Vintage Photo. It's a lovely brown, but with the patch of green. It's hard to describe, but it's got, yeah, it's your traditional old-fashioned photos. They get this sort of discolored with time, but this brown, yeah, there is a bit of green in it. And I think it works really well with those tags. You can either round the corners, but I won't do that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this a bit vintagey by folding it down like that, literally crease it, and then I'm going to ink that crease, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. So when you open it up, it looks like it's got creased by the time, but it's not, because we just made that. And I think we're going to do another one there. So this is a little tip to do if you want to age a document or anything like that. So I've done them all. I also have these in my stash. We made this quite a while ago using some of my labels and digitals. So what I thought we would do, and I think we're going to do, I fancy this to be one of them to be gold. So I'm not sure if that works. Oh, so this is it. Yeah, so we'll go this way. Oh, this gold. Oh yeah, this one here. Right, so let me just cut it. Oh, I want to, because it's got this bit here that is not cut out properly, so yeah. Okay, and then so I need to cut there. I've been very naughty because I'm using one of my best scissors for paper to cut fabric. It's a big no-no, but I've been very lazy. So what I want to, yeah, perfect. Yes, it's gonna work. Brilliant. So I'm gonna put double-sided tape. Now you can use hot glue gun, but because it's lace, it's just gonna go through and you're gonna make your desk a mess. Me and my double-sided tape are best friends. Me and this tool here, this is my #1 favorite tool ever. It's quick, it's clean, and it's easy. So me and hot glue gun, no. I can, of course I can, but I really do not like hot glue guns, hence why I don't own one myself. So oopsie, what you're doing down there, that's it. So this is one, and I think what I wanted to do, we're going to do, I think it's a bit too big. Should we cut it? Let's cut it. Yeah, I think I'm just going to leave. In fact, I might just cut the border there. Yeah, that is better. Yeah, you just finish it off. So just gonna put it in the middle. This is another one of my favorite tools. It's the pick, whatever it's called, from Stampin' Up. They've done the new tools now recently, so I think I'm going to buy them, although they are £20, which they're quite expensive. But I think on the next paycheck I'm going to invest on that. So that's one, and I'm going to do the other two off camera, because you understand what I'm doing. Okay guys, that's it, all done. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Let me show you closely. So they're quite nice, steady, so they're not, it's not like a piece of paper, but also they're quite flimsy. So it's completely depend up to you how you want to use them. In my head, they are belly bands. So for example, if pretend that this is a page of your journal, you put some adhesive on the top, some adhesive on the bottom, and then you can put ephemera inside. So that is what is a belly band. Okay, so it goes like that. So it's magic, like, yeah, it's a band. That's why it's called belly band. So, but nothing stops you to use this as you are pleased. Okay, guys, if you wish to join my VIP lounge and be part of this amazing community, let me show you where to find it on my website. Okay guys, so if you click on antoniomakes.com, just here in the bar, this is my website, this is my homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there it is. So the VIP lounge, if you are anything like me, that crafting is just a hobby, but it's like a daily joy, a moment of calm, and a space that we can together, guys, create something together with our hands. This is the platform for you. What is the VIP lounge? It's a monthly membership plan. Okay, so I've got two options. The first one, which is the monthly payment, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So digital papers, my ebook, my workshops, digital papers back sent to your email address. So I'll do this for you. Every month I send a paper to your email. You just need to check your spam or junk email box, because sometimes, depends on your privacy setting, the emails can end up there. and also get a monthly offer or a gift. This can be anything, can be a free kit, can be a discount, can be an offer on my website, etc. And also every month you get a gift box template with a private video on how to put it together. Okay, you can also decide to join yearly, so this is the best seller option. So you pay once, okay, and you subscribe for 12 months. Okay, so when you do that, of course it's cheaper. So the subscription will last for 12 months starting on the month that you join. You get the same, so you get 30% discount, digital paper packs, a monthly offer, a box template. But when you join the yearly subscription, you get £5 instant voucher to spend on the website. Again, you can buy any digital papers, you can get my ebook for cheaper, and of course my junk journal workshop as well. And that's the spirit behind my VIP lounge. It's a special place I created for fellow paper lovers who wants a bit more magic every month. Every month, my VIP members receive exclusive bundles and all of this, guys. So I'm really, really looking forward to have you part of this community. And it's more than just digital paper. I believe it's a year of creativity, surprise, and of course, some savings as well if you join the yearly one. I'm so looking forward, guys, to see you all in here. Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification, like a little doo-doo. So yeah, it's much appreciated. Guys, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. I will see you on Friday for another Friday freebie. And until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.